If I could help you resell software so that you can make recurring income, save you thousands of dollars, as well as probably over 2 decades of time, do you think you might want to hang out with me? So, my name's Ann Marie Walts. Thank you for joining me here at thinkyourwaytoamillion.com. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to jump right into this to share with you what it is that took me over 2 decades to learn. All right. So I don't know if you have ever heard of high level software, but that's what I'm going to be talking with you about today. And so when you are looking at my screen, this is one thing that I can share with you is that over the years of me running different businesses, I've used so many softwares. Some of these might actually look familiar to you. Have you heard of Square? How about Honeybook, Text Request, and the list goes on. But what's really, really cool when it comes to being able to now use high level is this. If you become one of my affiliates, and I do ask that if one way to support my channel would be to sign up as a high level affiliate with me, and I'm going to share the reasons why you should sign up with me. Okay. First of all, when it comes to using, say, high level, as I introduce you to this, and be sure also to check out my other video, which is a whole complete overview. It's about an hour and 20 minutes long. It goes into a deep dive of absolutely everything that you can do at high level. It's very, very thorough. So you definitely want to check that out. But let's talk about experience. And did you know that, like, if you are watching this and you lean towards being more tech savvy and you have an entrepreneurial spirit and you just really want to dive in deep to build yourself an online business, well, I can tell you you're in the right place. And the beauty about when it comes to high level is that, like, when it comes to, say, me and you being affiliated together, I'm not just one of these marketers that just sells something that is so annoying. I don't know about you, but I'm sure that you may have already experienced a pitch man. They're good at selling the talk, but they don't even know how to actually use the software. That's not the case with me. I actually, not only do I use it, but I use it for our local businesses. So I actually have a hair salon. And so if we go over here, all right, you can see that I have pulled up even like one of my funnels. You literally, when it comes to running a local business, you will have struck gold by checking out everything that high level has. And I'm going to bring you over to the playbooks. So the playbooks right here, as you can see, they already, and you might be like, okay, what's a playbook? What's really cool is that high level's already put together several of the most common professions out there. And so instead of you thinking of it as just simply as a software, we'll go to the automotive detailing. Think of it as an all-in-one complete system where you're able to capture leads. You can easily build a website for yourself. Because you don't need to be like really, really tech savvy. But if you are tech savvy and you really want to build out an agency for yourself, you can really do extremely, extremely well. So when I go back here, and then I will bring you to say what the agency view looks like. When it comes to the agency view, well, then you are going to be able to set up subscription-based plans that can wind up becoming reoccurring income for yourself. And you can customize the plans so that they fit what it is that you are offering as your own agency. So that's just one way to make money using high level. The other advantage that I found is that since my husband, he actually owns an auto repair shop. Okay. So then when it comes to him, he doesn't want himself. He doesn't want to take care of having to nurture leads. So in his instance, what I have set up is I set up a website for him. Actually, I'll bring you to it right now. All right. So if we go to Canal Auto Repair, you can see that his website runs completely on HighLevel. What does that mean? Well, what it means is that when somebody is looking to get their car fixed, they can just simply fill out this little form. And then for him, he winds up getting a notification sent to his phone and sent to his email that he has a new customer. So can you imagine for yourself if you wanted to be able to set up a business that maybe your audience was like the automotive industry, maybe, or maybe it would be hair salons, any of these types of fields that are local businesses, what do they need? They need to find more customers. And then the beauty about the system is this as well, is that when we go, I'll bring it back inside, is that there's automations are built into the different playbooks. And what are automations? Well, you know, is simply have you ever sent an email to a business and you got a response back that says we're out of the office? That's the simplest way to put it. But when it comes to like the different types of automations that can be built inside HighLevel, it's really kind of like it's really an endless sea of creativity. So for example, like here's an after hours. So with nowadays, people are spending so much time texting that doesn't it make sense that if you need to set up a autoresponder for after hours for to let people know that their message was received and that you're going to get back to them, that just is really, really great customer service. And so when it comes to making a workflow, you're going to find that you can either make them from scratch, or the beauty of the system within HighLevel is that they already have some that are already made, and they're pretty self-explanatory as far as, say, for example, appointment confirmation, reminder, survey, and review request. I mean, so just that in itself, can you imagine how much you could help another business? All right, so then I'm going to bring you over here. So if you want to become an affiliate of mine, you can head over to ghlcertifiedexpert.com. And I want to bring you over to this website because it does give you a bit more information, but it also gives you some personal information about myself, being that I'm a certified admin. So what is a certified admin? Well, here's the beauty about what you can do when it comes to not only using the software to save yourself time, but you can save yourself money, but you can also take this certification where they're constantly launching new certifications on top of the certifications. And the beauty about that is you get to be part of a community inside here. And then what's really fantastic is that, like, if it wasn't good enough that you can be able to automate your business or turn a business for yourself into an automation business where you help other businesses automate, but you could actually get certified by HighLevel, and that sets you apart. And then there's what's inside the community called opportunities, because there's other people that are looking for certified admins, because let's face it, not everybody is tech savvy. So just that in a nutshell is just a few of the reasons why I happen to like HighLevel. So what you can do is you can go over here to become an affiliate, and right here you can pick this. Are you new? And do you own a business? And would you like to have a do-it-yourself option? Now, what it means as far as the do-it-yourself option is that you'll be guided with the help of HighLevel, and you would be able to pick one of the playbooks that would fit your business. And then I'll pick the salon. All right. So in here, you can see that there's a website template. There's a sales funnel template. There's even a pre-built offer inside. There's email campaigns already made out, custom automations, sales pipeline, social post templates, digital ad templates, and then it gives you a walkthrough on how to be able to set that up. And maybe you happen to already be an affiliate of HighLevel and you're looking to be more established with somebody like myself that will actually, take care of you and just point you in the right direction. Because you know what I get excited about is that I've been using software for over 20 years. And when it comes to what you can do with HighLevel, there is a big difference when you are looking to be affiliated with somebody that's is talking about HighLevel, but are they actually using it? And I use it. And before I hop off, there is the other option of what HighLevel brings to the table, and that would be that you can white label your own version of HighLevel. And so then if we go back over to playbooks, let's say, for example, like I had mentioned in the beginning of this video, you wanted to maybe make a niche out of the automotive detailing industry. Well, then you could go find a whole bunch of customers out there on the internet that are up and coming automotive detailers that need a system, because lots of times businesses don't have a system. What local businesses have are passion, drive. They want to be able to do their craft, but they don't really understand pipelines or even so much as like putting a chat widget on their website, which can right here can speed up communication. And then it can all be put in one centralized location. So again, thank you for hanging out with me. Please hit subscribe. You'll see that I'm very active inside the HighLevel community. And when you also become active in the HighLevel community, there's a whole bunch of learning. There's in-person live events that are just chock full of education, and you really get to meet friends. This is a really good friend of mine. She's actually lives in Ireland. And then here's the owners, and they're always there. They're always approachable. This company's up and coming. And, so head on over to right here. Whoops. Let me go back to my website up at the top. Head on over to GHLcertifiedexpert.com. All right. And you can just click here, become an affiliate, and then you can just pick which one would best suit you. So like here, do you own your own business? You would fill this out, and then that will bring you to my affiliate link, and you can start your free trial. All right. Thank you. Until we meet again, and make sure you hit subscribe and be sure to watch the HighLevel overview video so that you don't miss out on anything.